Good morning, Vietnam. Oh, wait a minute. Let's bring that back. Good morning, Afghanistan. That's right. This fuck screwed up what Trump set for in May. He reneged on a deal. When you renege on a deal, you have consequences. Guess what, Biden? Consequences have yet to come. But don't forget, you've been letting everybody in at the border. And if it is a terrorist that you let in at the border, good. Because they're coming for the head honcho that has no brains. I said it. You're the one that created this horror that America's going to have to deal with. And every one of you, NSA, FBI, CIA, you let that steal go through. You inserted a half-wit in the White House. Merry Christmas. And have a nice day.